Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we'll be going on with this video on how to perfect your edges after installation, and the product we'll be using for this video will be listed at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Do it to like this video, comment, and watch this video to the very end. Now let's get down to business. So here I've already done the installation. If you want to know how to lay your installation, you can check my channel for other videos about it. So first thing first, after doing your installation, you will have to bring out the edges like so. So the product I'm using the Gorilla Airwax. It's very good for edges and it lasts longer when you use it. So we're using a water base because the Gorilla Airwax is sticky and lovely. Now first you have to apply the wax. You use your brush to brush it down, which is your edges brush. Then you can go in with the edges comb to slide it down like so. So when you're doing your edges, you have to be patient and careful so you will achieve what you want. After that, you're gonna go in with a low heat hand dryer to blow dry it down. So this process is just for those persons that are not intending on just removing the frontal immediately. This is for those persons that would want to carry the hair for a while, like a week or 5 days. After that, I'll be going with my Eben spray hold. This spray oil is very sticky and very active. It's very good for frontal installation. And after that, after spraying it, you're still gonna dry it and make sure it's dried properly before leaving it. So you're using your low heat to dry the hair like so, just like what I'm doing. So guys, you're just gonna go on with this video. Like I said, everything I use in making this hair will be dropped on the description box, so if you want to get the product you can get it. So depending on your location or your country, whichever product you're using, just take your time to do it like so. Guys, if you have watched this video till this very extent, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to this channel and follow us on all our platforms to always get a notification whenever I drop a tutorial video. See you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.